Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Jio eSIM online. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open your Chrome browser or any browser in your device. In the search bar, just simply search for this jio.com. It will land you on their website. As you do that, you will see this kind of interface of jio.com. Now tap on this hamburger icon in the top left and simply tap on this mobile. Now scroll down and simply tap on this eSIM option here. As you tap on eSIM, you have to scroll down and you will see this option here. There are three ways to simply buy Jio eSIM online. So first is to check the eSIM compatibility. So tap on it and it will land you to check if your device is eSIM enabled. Like select your smartphone or your smart tablet or smartwatches. After that, you can tap on select brand and then select model according to your brands. Next, you need to request a SIM to find a step-by-step guide to upgrading from physical GeoSIM to eSIM, and then you will be able to activate Geo eSIM by checking how easy it is to activate the GeoSIM on your eSIM enabled devices. Then you will be able to transfer your GeoSIM to another device. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to buy Geo eSIM online. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.